Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on GetAssist. And in today's video, I will tell you how you can use your professional dashboard to increase your reach on your Instagram. So let's get started. So let's start the process. First of all, open your Instagram account and go to your profile. Click on this three dot. Now you can see the option of professional dashboard. Click on this. Now click on see all. Now click on total followers. Now here you can see your growth rate and your reach by cities or by countries, the age range, the gender, and also most importantly the timings in which time your Instagram account is more active. You can go back, then you can click on accounts engaged. Now all the data will be available here. Your which post or your which story got more reach, what was the ratio of story interaction, what were your top stories, and so on. So by using this analytics, you can choose and you can explore your audience, whom to target and which age group you are targeting the most. You can schedule or you can analyze the timings in which you can post reels or your photos. So I hope this video was informative to you. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.